Hello everyone, welcome to another Diwali Cards card. Today's card is a very clean and simple card. This literally took me less than 10 minutes to make in real time. So I hope you enjoy this card. Now, for this card, again, as I said, I am trying out different things that you can do to make cards. So some of them are only using dies, etc., which was my last video. Here, I am using transfers as the main focus of the card. And as you can see, the code, etc., of the transfer that I am using. Now, these transfers, if you are new to them, they are very similar to, using kind of like body tattoos that we used to use when we were small, which used to go away. Now, these are not meant for body, of course, they are meant for art and craft purposes. But this is the one that I selected for the Diwali card, and I am kind of transferring it on a white paper as shown. Now, I have kept the entire process of me waiting for it to be transferred as well, because I always get this question in all my reels, etc., that how much time does it take to actually transfer the image. As I showed you in the video today, it normally takes me around, after putting water on top of the paper, I keep it for like 5 to 10 seconds. And then I, just move the paper and see if it is proper. And if it starts peeling off from one corner, that means your transfer has worked out beautifully. Now, once I am happy with how the transfer has transferred onto the paper, I decided to die cut it in a simple circle. So for that, I'm using this newly launched CrafTangles dies, which is decorative circle. So it has those decorative doily kind of a shape, as well as a circle to kind of cut out from the inside if you want to create a frame. So instead of using the decorative die, I'm using a plain circle. Now comes the card assembly part. For that, I am using a CrafTangles Notelet card base. Now guys, as always, whatever products I have talked about or used in this tutorial will be linked below in the description. Now, just to add a little bit of interest, I am foam mounting this particular cutout that we have cut on top of a card. So this will just add an extra dimension. And that's it. That's the front of our card. Now, since the front of our card is kept so simple, I decided to kind of add this beautiful sentiment into the inside of the card rather than keeping it plain. So this is from one of the Diwali sentiments stamp set by CrafTangles, and I'm stamping it using some VersaFine Onyx blacking in the inside of the card. And that will complete my card. As always, I'll leave you with a lot of details, close-ups of the cards. In case if you have any queries, please feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to help. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then guys, take care and do subscribe. I'll see you later.